Hey, let me show you how you can connect a Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with your Apple Watch. So first of all, you will have to start from inputting both earbuds inside the case, open this cover, and now you will have to click and hold this button that is located at the bottom of the charging case, and you will have to wait until this indicator starts blinking with the red, green, and the blue. There we go. Now we can release, put it back. Now move into your Apple Watch, and of course we have to enter for the settings. There we go. We have to scroll until we find the settings icon, which will be located, I believe, right here. Now we have to go for general settings, and we have to look for the Bluetooth connection. Okay, it's not here. That was actually my bad. We have to go for the Bluetooth. There we go. So open the Bluetooth. Now be sure that you actually turn it on with the switcher, which is located right here. And then from available devices list, select the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, tap on them once, wait for the connection, and as you can see now, you are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.